Before we get started, you'll need to make sure you have all the relevant safety equipment to do the job correctly and safely, and that all the equipment complies with current OH&S guidelines. When working on the valleys of the tiled roofs, make sure the area is clean before applying the mesh. Roll the mesh down the valley to the gutter course. Clamp the mesh to the gutter course so it does not fall off the roof. Do not cut the mesh at this stage, as you will need more mesh as there will be take-up of the product as you progress down the valley. On the left-hand side of the valley, cut the mesh at the edge of the full tile and tuck the excess mesh under the tile next to it. Moving in a tile on the next row. Continue down the valley, creating a fishbone or sawtooth effect. Now on the right-hand side of the valley, cut the mesh along the top of the ridge of the tiles. The mesh will sit on top of the tiles, then tuck the excess flap of the mesh underneath that same tile. Continue this method down the valley, leaving a fishbone or sawtooth effect up the valley. Cut the valley course mesh over the gutter course mesh, then seal the ends with matching colour silicone or sealant. Return to the top of the valley and trim the mesh around the ridge and the hip. Cut the mesh close to the bed and pointing, leaving about 2.5 centimetres or 1 inch sitting on the pointing. Seal with matching colour silicone or sealant. Check that all areas are neatly installed and bonded. You can also refer to Leaf Free Gutter Guard's installation guide or call us on 1300 456 678 for further assistance. Always follow this guide to ensure optimum installation results. Correct preparation and installation is essential for a long-term, reliable fixture.